birthday party stuff. Can you show me? Show me your monkey.
Okay.
Wow. What else is there? Is there hats? Where are the hats? You see the hat? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is it?
You want to wear it? And Claire, who's that? Who's that?
Dog.
Is that your Lila? Is that your new doggy that you got for your birthday? Lila. Oh, it says happy birthday Claire Bear and it has monkey on it. And you have cupcakes that say 3 because you're 3 years old. How old are you?
3.
3.
Mommy, who's that?
That's Lila's toy. Throw it for her. Lila. Oh, it's okay, Lila.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Cooking up a good cow.
Wowee.
My birthday, Elvis. Give me a hug.
Say love you, Elvis. Elvis is like, what?
What is this?
I'm too old for this.
I put on the hat, but I can't deal with all this paparazzi. It's too much.
Hey, Claire. Aww.
Oh,
Heather, you lucky.
open your present.
Presents at someone else's birthday.
Well, you get party favors. This was a part. She's the only. Oh, good.
What is it? Sweet. Oh my God.
We got another one.
Do you want me to open it? Let me show you.
Is this your camera? We gotta get home. Don't be rude. No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow on the candles?
Ready?
Can you make the fire? Can you blow?
Ready?
Good. Good job, Claire.
Hey Claire, can you eat your monkey cake?
Yeah.
It's just monkey.
What are you talking about?
The cake has, the monkey has the cake.
Is he blowing on his candles too?
Even I did on that.
So did you guys build that house or was
You open it.
You open it.
Hey,
What is it?
what's in there?
Claire, who is it?
Anna.
It's Anna. It's an Anna. It's an Anna dress.
Do you want
She wants it on. I want it on dress. You look like princess.
Little bit.
Well, there's so many.
Can you do it?
Get that whole throwing the tissue thing, like, get the trash out of my way here.
What is that? Need some help? What is that? Oh, look at Anna! I think she likes that. Oh my gosh, is that a frozen backpack?